To come over and celebrate fiesta here sa... Nasaan nga ba ako? Nalilito na.
Milton Keynes.
Kasi alam ko nga, Milton nga. Ano pronunciation ba nun?
Keynes. Milton
Keynes.
Keynes. MK.
Milton Kids. K. Milton K. Milton K. Okay, so tomorrow ha, tomorrow.
Sige po.
Oh, thank you. Mahilig kayo talaga sa bakla rito ha. Okay, there'll be more. Ano pa? Wala na akong gagawin. You wanna dance? I can sing. You know. Sure. Come here, dance. Parang dito walang nararamdamang kahihiyan ng mga taga-ano dito. Pero makakapal ang mukha. Sige na, wasakin mo na yan. May patis. Music. Hello. Your letter, your O here is very long. Hello. Hello. Sa atin, hello. In the Philippines, we cut the vowels very short. Hello. Anna. Tangina. And here is very elegant. The way you speak is very elegant. Hello. Tangina. Very elegant. Very elegant. Okay, so we'll do an a cappella dance. Walang music eh. Ayan, sige. Gusto ko. Laswa pala nitong aling to. Okay. Religious dance. Lower, lower. Lower, lower. To the heat, to the heat. To the electricity. Okay. Baka matagal-tagal na to ah. Let's go. Ang init ng puwet. Okay. 2 pounds per kilo. Donasyon, wala na akong bayad. Okay, we will see you tomorrow, ha? Tomorrow. What's your name?
Lorraine.
Lorraine. Lorraine, how long have you been doing this? How long have you been embarrassing yourself? Okay, so ipitan mo. Thank you, Lorraine. Hiningal. Wala. Yung blood. Sumakit. Kumain kasi ng munggo. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, Arnold. See you tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much.